Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to integrate Simvoly with GetResponse so you can seamlessly manage your email marketing campaigns. First, log into your Simvoly account by using the link in the description and navigate to the dashboard. Next, click on My Sites and Funnels on the top and select your funnel or website. Now, click on the Settings icon. In the left sidebar, select Applications. In the Applications section, click on Add Application. Scroll down and find GetResponse from the list of available applications, then click on it. You'll need to enter your GetResponse API key to connect the two platforms. To find your API key in GetResponse, log into your GetResponse account. Click on the Tools button on the top left corner and select Integrations and API from the drop-down menu. Then, click on API in the left sidebar to find your API key. Give your API a name and copy your API key from GetResponse and paste it into the corresponding field in Simvoly. Once you've entered your API key, click on Connect to authorize the integration. Simvoly will now connect to GetResponse and import your contact lists, allowing you to seamlessly manage your email marketing campaigns from within the Simvoly platform. That's it. You've successfully integrated Simvoly with GetResponse. Now you can take advantage of Simvoly's powerful website building features and GetResponse's robust email marketing tools to grow your business. Don't forget to click the link in the description to try Simvoly and GetResponse for free.